Hello and welcome to Craft Tool. Today we have with us GWS 800 and this is a 4-inch angle grinder with a very compact box. Let's unbox the product. First this tool, protective guard, handle, wrench, round nut, flange nut, warranty card. This tool comes with 1-year warranty from the date of invoice. The technical feature of the tool, it comes with a metal flange body on the front, locking spindle, and this is M10 spindle. The most significant of the product is this switch. The switch is on the back in red color, on and off mode, which you can operate. It is a very useful while you are getting into grinding and wall chasing. The unique feature of the tool is the air vent, which increase the airflow into the tool, which means the cooling part is taken care properly. This is a 800 watts motor and the spindle rotates at 11,000 rpm. Please visit our showroom for more details.